Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions from CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today we're going to solve the third problem of exercise 3.1 from the linear equations into variables chapter. So let's get started with the third problem. Question number 3. The cost of 2 kgs of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kgs of apples and 2 kgs of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. So they've said that 2 kgs apple and 1 kg of grapes cost rupees 160, and after a month 4 kgs of apple and 2 kgs of grapes cost rupees 300. So we should represent this algebraically and geometrically. So first let's represent it algebraically. So let the cost of 1 kg of apple equals to rupees some x, and the cost of 1 kg of grapes to be rupees y. So according to the given condition, that is the above condition, we have 2x plus y equals to 160. This is some equation 1. And 4x plus 2y equals to 300 to be some equation 2. The system of equations 1 and 2 represents the situation algebraically. Some points on the line 1, that is the equation 1, the x coordinates can be written as 80, 0 and 40, whereas the y coordinates here can be 0, 160 and 80. Some of the points on equation 2, the x coordinates are considered as 75, 0 and 50, whereas the y coordinates is 0, 150 and 50. So plotting these points on the graph, we notice that two equations that represent a parallel line. You can see it in this figure. This is represented here and here. The points are intersecting on x-axis, but they are found to be parallel, intersecting at these 4 different points. So we have finished solving the third problem of this exercise. In my next video, you will find the solutions for the remaining problems. So do refer my channel for further videos.